Need to free up funds for a deposit on a car or cover a short-term expense, but don't want to sell your crypto? Now you can with Borrow on VALR. To start borrowing against your crypto, select Borrow on the homepage. Go through the quick onboarding flow to learn more about how Borrow works, from using your crypto as collateral to repaying on your own terms to keeping your position healthy. Borrowing on VALR is simple: no credit checks, instant funding, and a quick way to free up funds without selling your crypto. Here's how you can borrow in 4 easy steps. Let's say you want to borrow $30 and you're holding Bitcoin. First, choose the asset you want to borrow, for example, USDT. Then, set your risk appetite: conservative, balanced, or aggressive. A lower risk appetite means a lower loan to value and a lower chance of liquidation if the market moves against you. You'll also see the estimated interest rate right away. Next, set the amount you want to borrow. As soon as you enter it, VALR shows you exactly how much collateral you'll need, roughly $60. Now select your collateral. Since you're holding Bitcoin, that's what you'll lock up. You can adjust the amount yourself or tap autos to fill it in for you. Before you confirm, you'll see exactly what you're borrowing, your loan to value, and your collateral value laid out clearly. Nothing happens until you review and swipe to confirm. And that's it. Your funds land instantly in your account. From here, you're free to withdraw, trade, earn yield, or convert to another currency. Need to borrow another asset? You can repeat the same 4 steps to borrow a second asset, for example, $10 in USDC alongside your $30 in USDT. That's how you free up funds without selling your crypto. Start borrowing against your crypto today.